Good morning, students. I'm back again with another session of science. Today we are going to do chapter 5, the human body. We are going to understand this chapter and the different organ systems that our body is made up of. Now, all of us have different organs. Yes, every human being has different organs. These organs together combine to form an organ system. These organs together combine to form an organ system, which helps our body to function properly. Let us have a look at the different organ systems in our body and how they help us. So the first one is the skeletal system. The skeletal system is made up of bones. An adult human body has 206 bones. The skeletal system helps us to stand straight, move, and walk about. Okay, so basically, the skeletal system gives shape to our body, helps us to stand straight, and also helps us in walking. All right. So the next one is the muscular system. The muscles in our body help to move our body parts. Some muscles are attached to the bones and helps to move our arms, our legs, and this is how the muscular system, which comprises of 600 muscles in an adult human body, helps us to move. The next one here, students, is the respiratory system. Now the respiratory system basically comprises of the nose, the windpipe and the lungs. Alright, what happens in the respiratory system? In the respiratory system, we breathe in the air and give out carbon dioxide. We breathe in oxygen and we give out carbon dioxide. This process of breathing, letting in air and taking out air is possible through the respiratory system. We breathe in air through the nose, from the windpipe, it enters the lungs inflate just like a balloon. If you put air inside a balloon, it will inflate. So the lungs also inflate and so does the chest. And then as we breathe out, the lungs also contract and the air is given out, breathed out. Okay. Next, when we talk about is the circulatory system. The circulatory system comprises of the blood, heart and blood vessels. So the circulatory system comprises of the blood, heart and blood vessel. Blood is the red colored fluid which is present in our body. There are two functions of blood, but we'll come back to it. So the next is heart and blood vessels. Heart pumps blood. The heart pumps blood. The blood vessels carry the blood from the heart to all the body parts, and they also carry blood back from all the body parts to the heart. So what am I saying? I'll just repeat it here. The blood vessels, these blue and red lines, can you see? They carry the blood from the heart to all the body parts, and they carry the blood back from all the body parts to the heart. This is the function of these blood vessels. And what is the function of heart? It pumps blood. Now coming to the fact, the functions of blood. What are the functions of blood? Blood is the red colored fluid that carries oxygen, absorbs food through the blood vessels. It also collects waste from all the parts of the body and takes it to the excretory system. So it is carrying oxygen when the blood is being transported to all the body parts. When the blood vessels carry the blood to all the body parts, the blood is also carrying the oxygen. It is basically the oxygenated blood that is being transferred to all the body parts, right? And what is the second function of blood? So the blood is providing oxygen to all the body parts. The second function is that it collects the waste from all the body parts and sends it to the excretory system. Sends it to the excretory system so that it is removed from our body. Okay, it collects waste from all the body parts and takes it to the excretory system. Then you have next the digestive system. And the last one is the digestive system, in which we first intake the food through our mouth. Then it mixes with the saliva. It is broken into smaller pieces. it goes down the food pipe to the stomach. In the stomach, the digestive juices are released, which make the food soft. Okay, which make that food soft, and it basically forms the paste. From there, it goes to the small intestine where all the nutritional values of the food are absorbed. All the nutritional values of the food are absorbed, and from there, it passes to the large intestine where the undigested food basically passes to the large intestine where all the water from the undigested food is also absorbed. Then that undigested food, which is basically the paste and the water, is also absorbed. Now the remaining waste is basically removed from our body through anus. So these are the organ systems that are present in our body and which help in proper functioning of our body. So that's all for today's session. Thank you so much.